O you who have believed, when the azan is called for the prayer on the day of Jummah, then proceed to the remembrance of Allah and leave trade. That is better for you if you only kneel. And when the prayer has been concluded, disperse within the land and seek from the bounty of Allah and remember Allah often that you may succeed. But when they saw a transaction or a diversion, they rushed to it and left you standing. Say, what is with Allah is better than diversion and than a transaction, and Allah is the best of providers. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.